Assalamu alaikum. Hope all of you are fine. Welcome to my channel. This is Kashif Saleem. So today we are going to discuss a technique used to solve an oblique triangle. So I assume that you already know how to solve a right angle triangle, which is trigonometric ratios basically, that is sine theta, cosine theta, and tangent theta. I assume that you already know how to solve a right angle triangle. So, in order to solve an oblique triangle, you need to derive a law of sine or law of cosine. So, first we are going to derive here law of sine. So, let us consider a triangle. So, first consider a triangle. ABC. So it's a triangle ABC. Here this is A, this is B, and this is C. So A capital letters are used here are vertices, and this is angle alpha corresponding to the vertex A. This is angle beta corresponding to the vertex B, and this is gamma. So these are the angles. Now this is small a, which is the length of the side BC opposite to the vertex A and angle alpha. This is small b, this is the length of AC, and this is the length of AB. So small letters are used here, or lowercase letters are used here, are the length of the sides. So now draw perpendicular from C on side AB, which meet AB at point E. Now there are two triangles. One is two right angle triangles basically. One is CAE and the other one is CBE. Now first consider triangle CAE. Now we are driving sine law. So there is this is sine alpha, this is sine alpha, and this is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So this is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, which is equal to CE, length of side CE, divided by length of side AC. So opposite to the right angle, it is hypotenuse, and this is also hypotenuse, and this is perpendicular. So if I use here, this is perpendicular. So now sine alpha is equal to CE divided by B. So we have CE is equal to B sine alpha. This is known as our equation A. So this is equation A. Now consider triangle CBE. So here is sine beta, this is angle. Opposite to beta is CE. Sine beta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Basically, this is equal to CE, and divide by, now hypotenuse is what is hypotenuse? CB. So what is CB? CB is equal to A. So now A sine beta is equal to CE. This is equation B. Now both of the sides are equal to CE. So we have B sine alpha equal to A sine beta. So what we will do? B upon sine beta, and this is A upon sine alpha. This is equation alpha. So now what we will do? We again draw a triangle, similar triangle, but this time we draw perpendicular from B on AC. So if I draw perpendicular B, sorry, AC. Now there are two triangles also. One triangle is CB, this is point D, CBD, and the other one is BAD. So if I draw it again here, so you will be able to understand it properly. Here, now this time, this is A, this is C. So I rotate the above triangle so that you will be able to understand it properly. So this is B, this is small c, and this is small a. This is angle alpha, this is angle gamma. So now consider triangle. First I write here for you. Draw a perpendicular on AC from vertex B, which meet at point D. So this is point D. Now again there are two triangles. One triangle, first triangle is this, and the second triangle is this. So we will consider again. Now again consider triangle BA, sorry, BAD. First, so what you will get? Again sine alpha is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So this is perpendicular, this is 90 degree, and this is hypotenuse, and this is hypotenuse. So we have perpendicular is BD. So this is BD upon C. So what you will have, C sine alpha. I should write it the next line. So this is BD equal to C sine alpha. This is equation, for example, 1. Now consider triangle. Sorry. Consider triangle BCD. What you will have, again, this is a perpendicular. Sine gamma is equal to BD divided by A, and BD is equal to A sine gamma. So this is A sine gamma. If I write it here, A sine gamma. This is equation 2. Again, by comparing C sine alpha is equal to A sine gamma, which implies that C upon sine gamma equal to A upon sine alpha. So now this is equation beta. So by comparing alpha and beta, what is alpha? Alpha equation is A upon sine alpha. This is equation alpha. This is equation alpha, and this is A upon sine alpha equal to B upon sine beta. And we have A upon sine alpha equal to C upon sine gamma. So both of them are equal. So we have our required results. So if I write it here, so this is A upon sine alpha, B upon sine beta, and this is C upon sine gamma. So this is known as sine law. So statement of the sine law is, it states that it is the ratio of the side of the angle opposite that is same for all the sides and angles. That is A upon sine alpha. So if you divide A by sine of the angle alpha, then which is equal to B upon sine beta and C upon sine gamma. So this is sine law. We will use it in our questions. So bear in mind that it is very important. So keep watching and keep understanding and be happy. Inshallah, we will meet in our next lecture. Thank you.